What's up, guys? It's Creepy Killers here, and today we're gonna be doing 3 new fidget spinner openings, like boxing. Now, oh god, that's a bit too bright. This fidget spinner is supposed to glow in the dark. It says, right? Yeah, glows in the dark. Yeah. It's not nighttime. But when it is nighttime, I'm going to test out and see if it does glow. Oh, well, this thing doesn't compare it to my other 2 fidgets. Also, if you guys hear 2 dogs fighting, I got Dumb and Dumber here, Rocket and Elle, my 2 dogs. If I like cat and dog, they fight so much. So yeah, sorry about that if you guys do hear that. Oh yeah. Okay, just toss that. It's so quiet. Can you guys even hear that? Okay, so hang on. I'm gonna move the camera angle. A second. Sorry that my wait, hang on. Ow, gosh, quit eating trash. Sorry. I'm gonna move the camera angle into like right there. Not like that. Okay. Now I'm going to move this closer so you guys can see it now. I'm gonna spin all 3 of my fidgets at once. This is my white. That's my white one. This is my red one. This is the new one. Now let's spin all 3 of them at the same time. I can't even hear this one right here. I cannot even hear this one. Again, this is brand new. I just took it out of the package. Okay, so we have 2 more. Gosh dang it. You don't eat Nerf darts. This is, oh my god. Sorry. Oh, well, I should probably put this camera back up here. Okay, so now we have another normal fidget spinner. It's a blue one. Just a normal blue one. Okay. Hey! I see you snooping. Come on. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some knife to cut this open. Okay, guys, I'm back with my knife this time. Now I'm going to cut this open. I'm going to make a small incision. Yes, there we go. Also very quiet. Okay. Now the same thing I did before. And do that. Okay, whoa. Yeah, you guys trying to pull my Xbox down? Jesus. Okay, so. Okay, now, well, actually, I have to, there we go. Okay, so, so this is what red sounds like. A paper. She's so stupid. Okay, that was red. This is white. This is orange. This is glow in the dark orange. This is brand new blue. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing special about it. It's just a blue one. Guys, just look at these two. Look at them. Look at them. Fighting each other and stuff. They're crazy. But yeah, look at them. So yeah, last one for today. A glow-in-the-dark green one. Now, just as before, we're gonna open this up, show it off and stuff. Although this one, we'll have to use scissors. Well, yes, scissors. I meant the knife, but there's scissors in the knife. So. And we did not need this knife today. Okay. That looks pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. Now, this is what red sounds like. This is what white sounds like. Not like that. That's not what white sounds like. Hang on. That's what white sounds like. This is what orange sounds like. On camera. Hey, that's what orange sounds like. This is what blue sounds like. And this is what green sounds like. Okay. That was weird. Maybe that's what green sounds like. Now later today I'll do a video seeing if these two will glow in the dark. Like they say they will. I'm not sure if it will, but yeah guys, bye. These two are demons. Oh god. See ya. Bye.